Thumbs up for dogs. Come on, how can you say no to that? Hey guys, I'm Katie. So today we're going to be doing some makeup school supplies. So you might be wondering, what the heck are makeup school supplies? I will show you. So I'm basically going to be taking, say some mascara. Whoops. And then I'm going to be cleaning it out well. Then I'm going to fill it with something to do with school. I have a load of good ideas. So, I've actually really wanted to do this video for a long time. So let's just get into it. Whoop. So you may be thinking that this is a little waste of makeup, like perfectly good makeup. But actually, if you look at the packaging of, say, this mascara, as I keep bringing up, it has this little packaging container thing here, and it says 6M. That means it lasts for 6 months until it gets expired. It's usually okay to use expired makeup, like you won't die or anything, but I don't use this mascara, and I have my own new mascara anyway, so I don't mind sort of wasting the mascara in here, because I've had this for like 2 years, and it says 6 months, so 4 times over. So yeah, just clearing that up, you know. So for the first makeup school supply, you will need an eyeshadow container, preferably one with rectangular type things so we can fit paper clips in. I got this really cute stationery set, and they have paper clips in them. They're pretty big. Katie, are you sure those paper clips are pretty big? Because those ones over there don't seem very big. Huh? Stupid. So I might use others as well. But yeah, you need them as well. And you also need something to dig out the eyeshadow. I'm just using a lolly stick, so yeah. I shouldn't have done that, damn it. So then I'm just scraping the expired eyeshadow out of this little container that I had that had the eyeshadow in it. I poured it into a cup, but the cup had water. I don't know why I did that, because eyeshadow doesn't actually mix with water. Okay, so I had a little incident with the eyeshadow on the paper here, because shocker, I used a piece of paper instead of cleaning my desk. My desk is way too messy to just clean it, so guess what? I'm swapping this piece of paper out. Yay. I don't know why I included that in the video. Me neither. Then I'm just filling up the eyeshadow container with some paper clips. Life hack: if you bend a paper clip like this, then watch this magic. It's a heart. Boom! Mind blown. Also, look at this notebook, it's so pretty. Got it while I was on holidays. Okay. Yay. So, for the second DIY, look at my nails, they're so nice. You will need an old lipstick. I have this really bright red one that I bought for a dance show. Yes, I do something other than YouTube. Do you think I have no social life? It's true, but still. You also need a glue stick. This part was unnecessary. And then you need something to scoop the lipstick out of it, so I'm just using a lolly stick once again. So then I'm just scooping the lipstick out with the lolly stick into that same cup because it's already dirty from paint water. So for this DIY, you sort of need to have the glue stick and lipstick be like sort of a similar size. You don't really need them to be a similar size, but if you can, then that's great. So you can put the glue into the lipstick container, because that's what we're doing. We're basically swapping their containers, only we're throwing out the lipstick. Does that make sense? I hope it does. In the next clip you'll see I explained how I did this, but my original plan was to just like put the glue stick into the thingy and cut the sides off until it was like a cylinder shape. I don't know. So basically how I made this this shape is I basically just like mashed up the glue. It sounds disgusting to be honest, and it sort of looks disgusting, but that's what I did. So I think the best idea to do this DIY is to like melt the glue and then pour it in here, but I didn't have the time or patience for that, so I just did it the, I guess, easier way. It's not really that easy to get it this shape or to make it work, you know, but I'm sure it would work better if you did it a better way. I don't know. I want to make a collage in this beautiful notebook with dogs. I wrote this with some pencils that I painted in a newer video. Go check that out last week. So I have this obviously not sticky thing, and I want to stick it on here, but it like won't stick for some reason. So oh, look at this beautiful lipstick here that I have. Okay, it doesn't look that nice, but just wait, look. Okay, maybe it's sort of bad. Understatement of the century, but still, okay, there we go. Beautiful. It's a masterpiece. Mic drop, I mean lipstick drop. Oops. So for the third and last, but certainly not least, makeup school supplies, you will need a mascara bottle. Now I cleaned this out already. Look, oh, never mind. But it's mostly nothing on there. It's really hard to get everything out of a mascara bottle, so I bet like no one's gonna do this. Then you also need some hand sanitizer. I have these 3 things. This one's for men, but it's fine. So yeah, that's pretty much all you need. So yeah. So then all I'm really doing is filling up the mascara bottle with a load of hand sanitizer. Now, my mascara bottle wasn't 100% clean, but it still cleans your hands. Look at this lovely mascara bottle. Mascara bottle. Let's open it up. Wait, there's no mascara on here. It's hand sanitizer. Yay. Now, I know that hand sanitizer, it's not really a school supply, but, you know, you should always stay hygienic, or, I don't know, you should stay clean anyway.
Oh, hell no!
One eternity later.
Yay.